In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to combine the mouse click and drag with the Ctrl, Shift and Alt keyboard keys. This tutorial will also include some common uses of regular click and drag, such as moving files or folders into other folders and copying files or folders between locations. If you stay till the end of this tutorial, I will show you how to use keyboard shortcuts to create new folders, to duplicate open windows and to throw windows across monitors. Dragging files and folders within the same location. Usually, when you click and drag a file or folder to the empty space within a folder, nothing happens. However, as soon as you drop a file or folder on top of another folder, it moves into that folder. What happens when you Ctrl drag a file or folder within the same location? Usually, this action copies a file or folder. What happens when you drag a file or folder between locations without holding down any key? Usually, this action will copy the file or folder. Shift dragging. Shift dragging a file or folder between locations moves it. Here I'm dragging between a folder and the desktop. Alt dragging. Alt dragging a file or folder creates a shortcut. Creating new folders. Here I've got some files I want to move inside a new folder. One of the easiest ways to create a new folder is to click on the new folder button on top of your screen. This action is usually a lot faster than right-clicking and trying to click on the new folder button in the menu. I would definitely recommend that you use the new folder button on top. Otherwise, you can try my personal favorite. Hit Ctrl, Shift and N. This will instantly create a new folder. Now I'm simply going to move these video files into the newly created folder. If you made a mistake, just hit Ctrl Z and your computer will undo the move. As you can see, the files that were moved inside the new folder were moved back to their original location. Now, don't confuse the Ctrl-Shift-N shortcut with the Ctrl-N shortcut. Ctrl-N without Shift is used to create a duplicate window. Throwing windows from one monitor to another. Hold down the Windows button together with Shift and then simply press left or right to throw an open window to the monitor on the left or the monitor on the right. If you want to download and read the document that I used at the end, you will find it in the description of this video. Thank you for watching.
If you would like to be notified of upcoming videos, click the subscribe button and bell notification.